Abiy Ahmed said in the televised speech. If this is not going to happen, there will be no fairness and justice, and if there is no fairness and justice, it's a matter of time we will fight. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed has announced that the Ethiopian government is exploring all options to secure a port for the country, including negotiation, give and take, and force. In a meeting with investors and businessmen on Thursday, Abiy said that Ethiopia's current port costs are unsustainable, and that the country must have its own port to reduce its reliance on neighboring countries. The Prime Minister said that the government has already started negotiations with Eritrea, Djibouti, and Somaliland to secure port access in the case of Eritrea. The government has proposed to give 30% of Ethiopian Airlines to the Eritrean government in exchange for port access. Abiy said that the government is also considering the use of force to secure a port, but that this would be a last resort. We want to get a port through peaceful means, but if that fails, we will use force, Abiy said. Ethiopia is a landlocked country in East Africa. The country has a population of over 120 million people, and its economy is growing rapidly. However, Ethiopia's lack of a port has been a major obstacle to its economic development. Ethiopia currently relies on the ports of Djibouti and Somaliland to import and export goods. However, these ports are expensive to use, and they are often congested. It is unclear what the future holds for Ethiopia's port access. The government's negotiations with Somaliland could succeed, and the two countries could reach an agreement on the use of the Zaila ports. However, it is also possible that the negotiations will fail because of Somali government.
Member of the Somaliland government's representatives, Mohamed Abiy, welcomed the Ethiopian government's interest in investing in the Zaila port in Somaliland. Just days after Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed declared Ethiopia's right to access the sea through peaceful means. Speaking to reporters in Hargeisa on Monday, the lawmaker emphasized that Ethiopia intends to invest in ports through legal channels. To achieve this, it is essential to negotiate and establish an agreement that will benefit both people. Thank you for watching this video, and your support for the channel will be great for us. We will update you for more information about the region and even hidden history. So don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.